Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and I decided to make a snow covered gingerbread house, and I decided to make it at the last minute, but I want to share it with you before the year ends. So you'll be seeing this video before the year ends, and I want to tell you a little bit about what I did here and what I used. A lot of the stuff is from the Dollar Tree or dollar stores. So as the house, what I did was over the summer, I had bought a small beach cooler, foam, and I had two of them around. And I didn't expect to do this, but the other day I looked at it and I said, wow, I can make a little candy house out of this. But I'm calling it a gingerbread house because it's covered in snow. And then all this candy, the real candy, I bought at the Dollar Tree, as well as the straws that you see. You see around the house, you see the straws? Those are all from the Dollar Tree. And a lot of these, like the stickers, the autocollants, those are also from the Dollar Tree. The candy that you see here, this glass looking candy, is also from the Dollar Tree. Over here, the dish where the chocolate is on, I'm going to show you what that is. I'm going to take it out. It's actually a lid, a Kentucky Fried Chicken lid from the mashed potatoes or sweet coleslaw that you buy. That's all that is. And you see how the cooler has a round circle around it? It has two. It was perfect for this. So I said to myself, well, that's gonna go there. And then I'll just put the real candy on top. I'm still having guests before the year ends. So, I'll just tell them, just help yourself to candy. So the other candy looking candy is actually Play-Doh. So I mixed up the yellow, the green, the red, and with a little marker, I put a little dot there so it looks like a big cookie, a donut. That's how I made those. There will be a video on this house just by itself, musical. I won't be speaking. And like that, you could really appreciate it. The lights, the LED lights, those I've had, but the Dollar Tree has loads of those too. The door is just cardboard with some decorative paper, candy cane paper, and as the knobs I used 2 push pins. That's all it is. So I combined the house here with all the other decorations that I have around, mainly snow decorations, winter. So why don't we take a look around the house all the way to the back. Remember that there will be a separate video so that you can really enjoy it. In the back here, I had these little plastic jewelry boxes, and what I did was I dismantled them into 2 pieces, and that's what that is. They look like windows, and they're used as party favors. You can get them at the dollar store. And then I had some other stickers also from the Dollar Tree, and some candy canes from TD Bank. So that's it. That is the snow-covered gingerbread house. I hope that you've enjoyed it. I thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a blessed New Year. Thanks for watching.